everybody. Today we're going to be working on this Gravely Model L bottom end. Apparently something happened with the camshaft gear. This is one of the Gravely's that I built over the summer, and when I got it back here I just wanted to see if it would start, and then it was acting weird. It was locking up, and then I saw it had no compression, and then I noticed the magneto shaft wasn't turning all the time. So we're going to take this apart here and see exactly what happened to it, if I can get it apart. I never took one apart before, and I've never seen this happen before after all the years. I don't know if something fell down in the engine. All I remember is the top end looked like it was pretty freshly rebuilt. It had a 10 over piston in it, and I can still see the score marks in the cylinder where it was honed out, bored out, whatever was done to it at the time. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this pulley off without the air gun. I'm going to bring you closer so you can see what's going on here. I think I'm going to put the gloves on for this. I can't see how anything could have fell into the bottom part of the engine, but who knows. We'll see exactly what went on here. There she goes. I'm not even sure if I have to take the oil pump off. I'm not going to clean any of the dirt off because this thing is junk anyway. Okay, I see that all the bolts are out. Oh no, there's not. Okay. Let me take this nut off here. Ratchet. Oh, it's right here. I don't even know if I'm supposed to take this off or what. We'll take it off anyway, since I don't know what. Take this washer off here. Not that it's doing anything. get a couple of pry bars in here maybe and see if I can split this case apart. Otherwise, I'm thinking I might have to take the oil pump off. We'll see. Okay, one of the problems I was having is the keyway was still in the shaft here, and I think it'll come apart now. I still had to pry it and everything. We're not there yet, but I think it's getting there. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so we had our cover off here. Oh, I see the problem. I don't know how that happened. Let somebody hit something when they were brush hogging or something and stopped the engine short, and it broke the gear. Okay, what happened here, it broke the gear, bottom gear. It goes over the bottom crankshaft here, where the pulley goes on. And this gear here is missing some teeth. That's why I jumped time and nothing was working correctly. Well, I threw away a lot of bottom ends. I scrapped them, junked them, whatever. And that's why you should save everything if you can. But it's hard for me to save everything here because of the room that I don't have. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this. And that's what happened. That's the mystery to this whole thing here of what happened. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody.